Trees, the lungs of the earth, the silent heroes we often overlook. They don't just produce oxygen, they serve as a vital barrier preventing our planet from descending into chaos. But what exactly makes trees so essential? And if one day they were to disappear, what would happen to our lives? The answer might surprise you. Join us in today's video as we uncover the truth. If the human lungs stop functioning, life ends instantly. The earth is no different, and its lungs are the trees. Unlike your lungs, however, trees don't just sustain one individual, they sustain the entire planet. Each year, trees across the globe absorb over 2.4 billion tons of CO2, a gas that not only fuels the greenhouse effect, but is also drastically altering Earth's climate. Through the process of photosynthesis, these living machines transform this harmful gas into oxygen, an essential element of life, producing nearly 50% of the oxygen we breathe. Look deeper. Each leaf, each branch is more than just a part of nature. It's a vital link in the intricate system that sustains life on Earth. When forests are destroyed, it's not just the oxygen supply that dwindles. Millions of creatures lose their habitats, ecosystems collapse, and humanity itself inflicts harm upon the planet's only lungs. Trees don't merely exist, they are the foundation of life, a miracle that science can never replicate. Without them, how much longer can we truly survive? Did you know that a single mature tree can produce enough oxygen for 2 people to breathe for an entire year? This isn't just an interesting fact. It's a testament to the irreplaceable role trees play in sustaining life on Earth. But pause for a moment and imagine, what would happen if they were no longer here? The oxygen, the very air we all need to survive, would diminish drastically. And with it, the fragility of our existence would be exposed like never before. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the planet, accounts for over 50% of the remaining tropical rainforests on Earth and is home to 10% of all known species worldwide. While there is debate about whether the Amazon produces around 20% of the world's oxygen, one thing is undeniable: its crucial role in absorbing billions of tons of CO2 each year, helping to stabilize global temperatures. If these lungs are destroyed, we don't just lose a major source of oxygen, we dismantle entire ecosystems, pushing climate change beyond the point of control. So ask yourself, can Earth remain a livable place without trees? The answer is crystal clear: absolutely not. Trees are not just oxygen providers, they are the planet's natural air conditioners. They absorb sunlight and cool the air through transpiration, releasing water vapor that can amount to up to 380 liters per day for a single mature tree. This is equivalent to the cooling effect of a high-powered air conditioning unit. Additionally, trees help retain moisture in the atmosphere, promote cloud formation, and facilitate rainfall, effectively combating desertification and protecting soil from erosion. Forests, as the lungs of the planet, are also the home of millions of species, forming a rich and balanced ecosystem. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, forests harbor over 80% of terrestrial biodiversity. They provide habitats for countless species, from microscopic organisms to large mammals, ensuring ecological balance and sustaining complex food chains. Trees are not just an element of nature, they are its foundation, essential for life as we know it. It is heartbreaking to witness the destruction of Earth's green lungs, the forests that once served as vital shields protecting our planet, being wiped out at an unprecedented rate. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, the world loses 10 million hectares of forest every year, equivalent to the area of 19 million Lambeau fields. This staggering figure is not just a statistic, it's a dire warning about the catastrophic consequences for our planet. For example, the Amazon rainforest fires in 2019 were one of the most significant environmental disasters in recent history, burning over 2.3 million acres of forest. This catastrophe not only devastated a large portion of the world's most biodiverse ecosystem, but also released millions of tons of CO2, accelerating climate change. Similarly, Australia's Black Summer bushfires of 2019 to 2020 burned over 46 million acres of forest, destroyed homes, took dozens of lives, and affected over 3 billion wildlife, a number unprecedented in its magnitude. In East Africa, severe droughts exacerbated by deforestation have pushed millions into food insecurity, while in Asia, the destruction of mangroves in Bangladesh has intensified the impact of cyclones, displacing thousands annually. In Indonesia, widespread deforestation for palm oil plantations has caused toxic haze to blanket Southeast Asia, severely impacting the health of millions. These disasters vividly illustrate how deforestation leads to uncontrolled CO2 emissions, disrupted water cycles, and ecosystems on the brink of collapse. The consequences are devastating. Floods, droughts, and increasingly extreme weather events wreak havoc on both human and animal lives. Earth becomes fragile, vulnerable to the wrath of nature. Ask yourself, can we survive in a world without trees, where harsh climates and unsustainable environments dominate? The answer is clear: no. It is time to act now, not tomorrow, because our planet cannot wait any longer. So, what can we do to save the lungs of our planet? The answer doesn't lie in grand, far-off plans, but in simple, actionable steps we can take right now. Plant a tree, not just to nurture life, but to give Earth a chance to breathe again. Save a sheet of paper, not just to reduce waste, but to preserve a piece of a forest being cut down every second. Support a reforestation project, not just as an act of charity, but as a powerful contribution to the recovery story of our planet. Remember, every tree you plant isn't just a seedling. It's an oxygen generator, a shield against climate change, and a sanctuary for countless creatures. The small actions you take today can ripple into extraordinary changes tomorrow. Never underestimate the power of simple actions, because together, they can reshape the future of our world. Because if you don't act, who will? If not today, then when? The Earth can't wait any longer. The future of this planet, our future, rests in your hands. Don't just stand by. Take action for a greener, livelier, and more sustainable world for everyone. The Earth is our only home, and its future depends on what we do today. Don't wait. Act now, because every second is an opportunity to make a difference. Remember, protecting the forests isn't just someone else's responsibility. It's a shared mission. Share your ideas on how we can work together to safeguard our forests in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it to spread this important message even further. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more ways we can protect this beautiful planet together. Let's join hands and create a greener, healthier Earth.